top 5 best electronic deadbolt. Number 5. Kwikset Halo Touchscreen Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock. The Kwikset Halo Touchscreen Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock combines convenience and connectivity for modern homeowners. This electronic deadbolt features a responsive touchscreen for easy access, and it can be controlled remotely through the Kwikset app, giving you peace of mind and control over your home security. The Halo Smart Door Lock supports multiple user codes, making it ideal for households with various family members or frequent guests. It also allows for one-touch locking, and you can create custom user schedules to control access at specific times. Kwikset has designed this deadbolt with security in mind, offering robust ANSI Grade 2 protection. The Halo touchscreen deadbolt also has a built-in alarm system to alert you to potential threats. Its simple installation process and compatibility with standard doors make it a suitable choice for both homeowners and renters. Coming in number 4. Veise Fingerprint Door Lock Set Electronic Deadbolt Installation. The Veise Fingerprint Door Lock is an excellent choice for those who value biometric security. This electronic deadbolt features advanced fingerprint recognition technology, allowing you to unlock your door with just a touch. It's a perfect solution for homeowners who want a keyless entry system with an extra layer of security. The Veise Fingerprint Door Lock is designed for easy installation and fits most standard doors, making it a suitable option for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. It comes with a complete set of installation tools and instructions, simplifying the setup process. In addition to fingerprint recognition, this lock also supports RFID cards and PIN codes, offering multiple ways to access your home. Its sturdy construction and anti-pry design provide an added layer of security against break-ins. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient electronic deadbolt with biometric features, the Veise Fingerprint Door Lock is a solid choice. Coming in number 3. Eufy Security S230 Smart Door Lock Touch and Wi-Fi. The Eufy Security S230 Smart Door Lock combines a sleek, modern design with advanced smart home features. This electronic deadbolt features a responsive touchscreen, making it easy to enter your home without fumbling for keys. With its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor the lock remotely through the Eufy Security app. The Eufy S230 offers various unlocking methods, including PIN codes, fingerprint recognition, and even RFID cards. This versatility allows you to choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. It also supports multiple user profiles, making it ideal for families or shared living spaces. With a durable and weather-resistant build, this smart door lock ensures your home stays secure and functional year-round. It also features an emergency power supply port in case the batteries run out. Eufy's focus on user experience and smart functionality makes the S230 an excellent choice for tech-savvy homeowners. Coming in number 2. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt B489WBCAM716. The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt offers cutting-edge technology for modern homes. It integrates seamlessly with your home's Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control and monitor your door lock remotely through a smartphone app. You can check if your door is locked, grant access to visitors, and receive notifications about door activity. This deadbolt also features a built-in alarm sensor that alerts you to potential security breaches. The Encode deadbolt is easy to install, and it fits most standard doors, making it a great choice for both new and existing homes. The Schlage Encode's durable construction and ANSI Grade 1 security rating ensure the highest level of protection. With this deadbolt, you can enjoy the convenience of a keyless entry system while keeping your home secure. Coming in number 1. Schlage B365 VCAM 619 Camelot Keypad Deadbolt. The Schlage B365 is a top-tier electronic deadbolt that combines security and convenience. It features a sleek, modern design that complements any door. This deadbolt boasts a keypad for keyless entry, eliminating the need for traditional keys, making it perfect for homeowners who frequently find themselves locked out. The Camelot Keypad Deadbolt is built with quality in mind. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand various weather conditions without deteriorating. With its ANSI Grade 2 security rating, it offers a high level of protection against intrusion. The keypad is backlit for easy nighttime use, and you can program up to 19 unique access codes for family members, friends, or service providers. Additionally, the auto lock feature automatically locks the door after a preset time, enhancing security. Battery replacement is a breeze with the user-friendly design.